Hello, YouTube. This is, guess who? Lucas Bentley. Yeah, I'm back after a very unnormal absence. I have been very busy. My new training program, I'm going to be getting a job soon and everything. And I'm still in the program, so this is just this is burping, and this is a burping video that's long overdue. But unfortunately, I don't know how long it'll be before I make another one, because that's all I can say. I'm hoping. I've been trying to make another one, but I just keep getting caught up with my other channel, and I keep forgetting about you guys. Not purposefully. And I mean, it's just hard. I got so much stuff going on, trying to get my other channel up and going. Now, if you guys could go and check out that channel, it's Nova Gamer 300. I game on it, and you guys enjoy gaming, then go and check it out. I mean, you could at least give it a try. That'd help me out. So, if you like me on this channel, I'm sure you like me on the other. But I'm planning on making this a decent length video for you, and I've already lost count on how many burping videos I've done. But of course, I will know once I go back and look how many I've done. So I'll have to put the number on the title anyway. So let's begin. I might be a little bit rusty. I guess not. Yeah, for you who don't know, just this last year I graduated high school. So, and my birthday was on July 30th. So, I'm 18 now. And, I'm still awesome. I'm still awesome. Sorry if you can't see my face. I'm using my new computer's screen, and the sun's not really out right now. It's setting. Not behind me, but ahead of me. It's setting. So if you can't see my face, deal with it. At least you're getting a burping video. I can't really improve the quality of my video camera because it's part of my computer. It's literally in the computer. It's a webcam. So, I mean, it's going to be a little bit blurry and stuff. I will try to edit it a little bit more so you can see my face, but I think this isn't like my school iPad, so its vision's not going to be as clear. I might get a webcam later and separate from the computer, but until then, yeah, you're stuck with this. But I really would like it if you guys could check out my other channel, known as Nova Gamer 300. Nova Gamer 300. If you can hear, I'm still a little rusty. If you remember, back in the day, I could burp words clearly, but I've become rusty. I haven't been doing it as much because, of course, I'm busy, and I've kind of lost interest in burping. I mean, I haven't fully lost the interest. I do it sometimes, but as you get older, you start to realize more important things going on, and I've matured some more, so the burping has gone down. But the good news is, the older you get, the bigger the burps are. Take note. Oh, my old friend, my first subscriber, this is for you. One of my first, anyway. Want me to burp your name again? For those of you who don't know, there's a man out there, subscriber, who's one of my very first, and he loves it when I burp his channel name. Ooh. So that's what my lunch tastes like when I burp. Sometimes I eat something before I burp, and it really affects my burping. But that's why I've decided not to eat before I burp. Because there's a lot of videos I had to cut short that you don't know about. Well, if you go back and watch a few videos, you're like, I gotta stop because I'm gonna get sick. That's because I ate before, I drank too much before. So I've discovered if you want me to, I can make another video on how to burp. But I did one. But I mean, go check it out. I will say though, on my gaming channel, I will not burp. I won't. That's what that channel specifically for technological purposes, nothing else, such as clips from TV, gaming, reacting to videos, maybe stuff like that. But I have a separate reacting channel I'm hoping to get up and going. But I'm sorry, but that channel is not for burping. The real reason there is people, when they watch gaming, are not expecting, and they think it's very they think it's off topic to belch. They think it's rude. Only certain people will go looking for a burping video. People don't go into a gaming video to watch something, and I mean they're not looking for burping in a gaming video. So I mean, if I were to in my gaming videos, they'd be like, oh god, this dude's sick, I wasn't looking for this, I'm gonna get out of here, unsubscribe, unlike. That's what they're gonna be like. But for you guys specifically look for this video. You look for burping. And that is what sets burping different apart from gaming. But if you think I'm funny, I know I'm kind of egging you, and I'm kind of bothering you with this, but you should. I recommend it. I mean, if you like me, as you can see, it's getting dark, so it's harder to see my face. If you like my humor, if you like everything, the only thing missing about me in those videos is my burping. I still have my humor. I have everything. I have everything about me. Just not my burping. My humor, if you like my humor in these videos, my burping videos, they will still remain in those videos. I will leave the link to my other channel in the description below. See what I did there? Okay, yeah, in the description below. Let me say that again. Below. And click on that link, and just for me, check it out. Watch a few videos. Just for me. I have done so much for you guys, and I'm thankful for all the views you've watched. All the views, all the subscriptions. But now I'm trying to gain some more subscribers on my other channel, too. So do me a favor on that, too. Please go check out that channel. If you want to see me get scared, I have horror game videos. I will soon, very, very, very soon, be playing Soma, a new horror game. Oh, that was out of the way. So was that. A new horror game made by the makers of Amnesia. I will be playing that on my channel soon. But let's focus on this burping channel. The divine burps of Lucas Bentley. Okay. Oh god. Oh god. The worst pain ever. It's heartburn. Okay, yeah. I need to see that here. I'm having some heartburn. Let me get all the exhaust out. Okay. I'm good. Oh, stomach ache. Well, now I feel better. Oh, better. But yeah, if you want me to do another video on how to burp, I mean, I can make another video. But the problem is, some people don't understand how to do it even though I make a video. I already made a video, but if you want me to... Sure, yeah, in my... You get the idea. Did you guys like Godzilla 2014? When he roared, it sounded so much like oh yeah. No, that's not what he sounded like. My bad. Sounded like just kidding. I don't know what he sounded like. I do, because I had the movie, Godzilla 2014, but I can't make that noise with a burp. If I could, I would get several trillion views on this video. Maybe not that many. It's like a trillion burps. Oh my god. As you can see, I look a lot different than I did before. My hair is different. It lays down a lot different than it used to. My hair is more natural. It's wavy and smooth and thick and skinny. Very powerful looking hair. As powerful as my... Okay, that was a weak burp. Let's try that again. Too much pump, little gas. Oh. And there it goes. I'm not done yet. This video is gonna be 20 minutes long. Maybe more. I still got a lot of gas in me, bro. Man, that was rough. Not the burp, the taste. That sounded wrong. Well, that's not good, actually. There's times when you're burping, when you hit a certain point where you get sick in your mouth, and you have to swallow it back down again, which is what just occurred to me. That's when you're supposed to stop. That's when your body has had enough. But for you, I will do this for you. I will continue to burp. No, that's just rude. I will continue to burp for you, but as a favor, I would like you to go check out my other channel. You don't have to subscribe, just maybe watch a few videos or a few things. And if you like it, subscribe. I mean, it's not that hard. You did it with this channel. So technically, if you like this channel, if you like me, go ahead and check it out. I mean, you don't have to like it, but if you do, go check out my channel, my other channel, my Nova Gamer 300, and you watch the videos. Please no hate comments. I don't like those. I have very strong emotions. Please check it out for me. And don't leave any hate comments. I hate comments. They hurt my heart. But seriously, no hate comments. But seriously, check out my channel. But seriously, no hate comments. But seriously, I think my record's broken. But seriously, I'm off topic. But seriously, yeah, I've hit that point where I can't burp anymore, but maybe. I'm gonna try out my new technique. Focus on the inner core. Focus on the burping from the chest instead of the stomach. Ooh, that was quite effective. Woo! Okay. Pick it up, YouTube. Then just... Ooh, what was that? YouTube, want to see something cool? Watch my awesomeness. Watch it. Watch my awesomeness. Hold on. Oh, that kind of stuck in my stomach. I guess that means I have to. Let's check out my stomach. Oh, I feel better. I feel much better now. Help! I'm out of gas. Please help me. I'm okay. I think I've broken something though. It was a twig. Good. No, I think I damaged my burping box. I think I diverted it. Hold on. As usual, I say a couple more burps. As usual, I will say 3 more burps for you. Well, let's try a big one. One more big burp. It's not big. I'll do it again. Okay, yeah, no, I'm done. I'm gonna get sick if I keep doing that. Sorry, YouTube. I'll screw it for you guys. Okay, yeah, I guess I'm done. I don't want to get sick on camera. I mean, you wouldn't like that. Please do not say in the comments you want to see me throw up, because I will not do that on camera. There's one thing I hate the most in this world, is throwing up. I will not do that for you guys. Nope. Never. Ever. Okay. Well, I hope you enjoyed my come back. I hope it was good for you. But like I said, I don't know how long it will be until my next video. I don't know why I'm punching my hand. Oh, that last remark is making me laugh. I don't know how long it will be. Oh God, there I go with the banging my hand again. Why do I keep? Okay. I don't know how long. I don't know how. Okay. Hands, I will break you. Not mentally. I will physically break you if you keep doing that. Okay. I don't know how long it'll be until my next video. My burping videos, anyway. But I will always be making videos on my gaming channel. That is my new hobby. And if you want to see me more often than what you've been seeing me lately, which is not very much, if you've been missing me, and since I might not be doing very many burping videos, go check that out instead. If you miss me, you won't miss me anymore if you go and watch my other videos. And like I said before, I will leave the link to my other channel in the description. Please check it out. It will make me feel very good, and maybe it will make you feel better seeing a friendly face again. Okay, anyway. I think that's it. I did it again. I did it again. No, my hands did it again. Stop it. Excuse me, YouTube. Just kidding, that didn't hurt. My hand is numb now, though. My hand is very numb now. And very red. Okay. Okay. I think I might have popped a blood vessel. Okay. This was Lucas Bentley. If you enjoyed this video, click that like button down there and subscribe. And check out more videos I've done on my channel. A lot of videos. I have like 490 on this channel. Oh, I have like 100 in my other now too. Okay, well I gotta go. I'm sorry, this video has been quite a while long. Lucas Bentley. Good night, YouTube. My hand is numb.